Hello, and in this one, we're installing Windows as a portable system, and it is so easy, you will literally be shocked. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, leave a like on the video, and get on to your browser. The first thing you need to do is get Rufus. Now make sure you are in a Windows system, as this just makes the whole process a lot easier. And with Linux, like comment down below if I should make a separate video for that, but this is the Windows method, and it's pretty easy to do. Get Rufus and just get your Windows ISO. Now, quick note in here is that Windows 11 does not support the Windows to go function, or basically you cannot, I won't say cannot because I know someone out there has already done it, but you basically, it's not available to be used as a portable system. And I do understand that it's mostly because it is very heavy and it specifically requires hardware that probably when you're taking it on the go, you probably won't have all the time. So it's great. Now step 2 of the process is get Windows 10. So if I just search for Windows ISO, you should get Windows 10 this command. Now I did try to do Windows 11 and it did not go so well. So that's why I'm saying that just do Windows 10. And so just get this tool right here. It will give you the Windows Media Creation tool. And no, you don't need to use this to make a bootable USB. We don't need a bootable USB. We just have to kind of run it. It will ask for admin privileges and you will get a tool like this. And what you can do from here is get Windows 10 officially. So you don't have to go to random places to get an ISO. So just give it a moment and it should pop up. So if you're a first time visitor of the channel, make sure to leave a like and check out all my socials. I do try to be active on there. I'm not really active on there, but I do try. But anyway, just sign your soul away to the EULA. So yeah, and then make sure that on the system you are trying to kind of make portable on. Now I did show this, like show off this links to what hardware I'm using, so I'm not repeating that, but you should have a relatively fast SSD. Do not do this on any type of hard drive. So also when you see this menu, just select this one and then keep this however it is. And then in here, this is the important, but just make sure to select ISO file, and this will just give you a file. I already do have this downloaded. This is just to more of show you what you need to do. But anyway, like I was saying, make sure to do this on an SSD. Even SATA SSD will do. Just don't do this on a hard drive, because making a portable hard drive, like even if you do have one, it's like really hectic, and not all devices can support a portable hard drive because I think they do tend to take more power. So anyway, do this on a hard drive. If it's a M.2 hard drive, M.2 SSD, it's better do this. So yeah, make sure to just save the file. I do have this saved, so I'm not saving it again. So there you go. Now you can see we do have this Windows ISO. So after we do have that, we just have to open up Rufus. So now after Rufus opens up, make sure to, you can just select the ISO, and in case you don't see the hard drive pop up, just press Alt H or just select the line that says paste USB drive. So yeah, after that is selected, you can select which version of Windows 10 you want. So if it's a multi USB, it will ask for you which one do you want. And in this one, just I'd like to select the bottom two, and the first one, do select it if you do like move your distro a lot. So it will just prevent Windows from messing up your existing hard drives, because sometimes it can be like you use your hard drive, you pull it out, and if you're using a Linux system as a main, it can mess things up. So yeah, just make sure to keep that in mind. And again, if you do want to see all the systems in the used system, just make sure to turn that off like I did. And also this just tells us that if it's a trusted, if you got this ISO from a trusted vendor, we got it from officially from Microsoft, then we can continue on with our journey. Now just wait for this to be done. It shouldn't take too long. So just wait for it. Will basically copy your files over. So the faster your SSD is, and this will be as fast. So mine isn't that fast, but it's affordable. So yeah, after it's done, everything is done, make sure to just plug it in, go to your BIOS. So mine is F7, that's why I'm pressing it. And in here, select the one that is your drive basically. So it's different for every system. Make sure to pick yours out and give it a moment to kind of get through, and it will just continue on with the Windows 10, like normal default Windows 10 setup. So as you can see, I got it set up on my laptop. and I will actually show you the portability aspect of it. So let me just shut this down. Also, please do mind, like, I'm sorry about the video quality of this because I'm doing this on an first generation iPad. So do subscribe to the channel. I need a new device to record on. Also, maybe buy the SSD or whatever. Just help out the channel. Or maybe check out the Patreon that I have, and I will be putting like scripts and stuff very soon on there. The things that I use to edit my stuff. Maybe a few behind the scenes. Like I'm really planning on doing that, but I don't have a good camera for it. So I don't know like how to do that yet. But anyway, like I said, like I'm connecting this to my PC, like actual PC that I use. And let me just reboot this system. So I'm on, this is my main system that I'm using. So let me just reboot this real quick. And when I reboot, again, just press the BIOS key. So BIOS meaning boot key, sorry. And it's again different for every system. Oh, hey there, you can see me on the reflection on that. Yeah. So also don't mind the bold, it's like random stuff that I collected. I just press the boot key and it should pull up the boot menu. Like, or I accidentally went to the BIOS. My bad. You can do it from here as well. You can just select the portable one as the top boot order, but never mind. We'll do it from BIOS since this is very temporary. And I do recommend if you are using it on a temporary system, instead of just messing with the BIOS, just, you know, use the boot menu so it's a temporary thing. So mine is F12, so I'm pressing F12 to boot into this BIOS. So as you can see that BIOS varies from different system. So after a bit of pressing, you should see a menu like this, which will give you basically a BIOS, and then select the drive that you are using. In my case, it's the bottom one. And this should boot up the same system. Now, a few things to note here. This will not, by default, not have any display drivers. So depending on the system, it may be a bit wonky at times. But you can, like, it should automatically install drivers. Like if you have internet connection, it should kind of pull basic drivers to kind of get you up and running. But again, if it's just for diagnostic reasons, if you just want to carry a system that you can kind of plug into someone's system to check if their hardware is okay, maybe you are suspecting that maybe their system is okay, but their system is not okay. So you want to kind of check it out. This is a very good option even for yourself. I would recommend if you have a spare drive, or even if you don't, just get a like spare drive and kind of make a portable system on it. Because just me, if your main system breaks or something happens to it, you will have a backup system that you can pull up and kind of see what files went wrong, what went wrong. And yeah, also if you want to check out how to make a portable system, so if you want to check out how to make a portable system for Arch Linux, here's the video for that. I'll put all of this in the description below. If you want to use any of the tool that any of the hardware that I am using, make sure to check out the description. I'll link everything in the description below in case any of you want to get the things that I'm using. So that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.